What's up? Back again with me in its B channel. Okay guys, today we are going to review the Marquez Boots 93. Yeah. Okay. This boot I have had it like for a year, for one season, and then in this video I just want to review like how it look like, the boots, how the boots look like after I use it for a year. One thing for sure, I always try to be careful when I'm trying to wear this boot, but the thing is, the thing that I cannot avoid when using a boots for sure is like everyone does, this one. Yep, that's the thing that you can avoid it, especially on track when you take cornering. So this bottom will always make a marks, and then when sometimes on braking, like the Rossi style, your legs, the bottom sole will be not like, as thick as new, and these marks from the foot peg, and that's from the gear up down, and bend on the leather. And for sure, either Alpinestars or Dyne's, for the white color, you will get a discoloration, as you see. Maybe in camera hard to see, but this white, not that as white when it was new. And as you see here, this is not dirty. I already cleaned it, but it's getting yellow. Some of the white, they are getting yellow, not like as white as it new when it was new. And then some marks, the rest still okay. And that's the thing when you're buying $500 boots, $500 more. Oh, I dropped that. It's okay. See, it's open already. So this is the quality of the Alpinestars after 1 year old that I use, and not many times I use it at the track because I'm trying to having this as part of my collection too. If you see my other video, it's the same boot. It was the same boot. They were the same like this one, but at that time they were still new. I never use it. And on the leather here, still the same. It's okay, still in good condition. And oh yeah, one thing guys, forgot to show you this one. Okay, that's the mark that won't gone when you wear a boots, because you always hit the foot peg, whatever. Okay, and then for the other side is still okay for this plastic one, but as you see, the leather in the front here is not as smooth as like the new one. And the paint for the leather is kind of a little bit not fading, but like off from the leather, the red fluo. And again, same way this one, and then same thing, the this coloration here around the white marks. Okay, and then yeah, this side same way, discoloration white. This one too, no more longer white, it's like new. Some dirts, but these I already cleaned it. As you see, it's already shiny. You can see this white color is shiny already. You can see the glare there. Okay, but no matter how clean I clean it, something. And usually for the Alpinestars, for the backside, yeah, there you go. That's the marks that it will always on the boots. Okay, that's the mark. And then the paint, like a little bit fade. Same way here, as you see. Okay, but the other pair, still the glue still good. Just the other side is open, and so that is the quality for the Alpinestars. I'm very disappointed. 1 year and not every time, every day we use it. And I'm not a crazy racer. I always try to wear it carefully, but same thing. So that's another mark. And then yeah, again, really sadly about this, it's open already. I'll try find a glue then. And it's not about all. That's for the outside. And